Hold on, John. Hold on, Johnny. So, Saya, are you going outside? Yes. You going bye-bye?
All right.
Have fun. Hold on, John. I'm coming to wipe you. Locks the door.
Raj was saying he couldn't get to his wood because it's so thick.
Okay.
In his backyard. Give me your hand. He couldn't resist.
Well, it's gonna be almost as deep as him. We did that when Adam was like 2 years old. We like threw him right in like deep snow, and he's like this. And we took a picture of him. We still got that picture. It's nice though. We still got some nice snow, man.
It is nice.
Where you going? Where do you want to go?
Hopefully he'll stay in the car. You're not going anywhere, buddy boy.
Go this way? Come on. See if you can make a path. Walk that way.
Oh, he's gonna get wet. I don't have his snow pants on.